The ACC FCW Unavailable Service Required warning is one of the most common issues reported in 2018 through 2025 Dodge Durango models, particularly those equipped with the Uconnect 4C NV system. This warning message appears on your dashboard when the adaptive cruise control and forward collision warning systems detect a problem and shut down for safety reasons. Let's understand what these systems actually do. ACC, or Adaptive Cruise Control, automatically maintains a safe following distance from the vehicle ahead of you. FCW, or Forward Collision Warning, monitors the road ahead and alerts you if a collision is imminent, giving you time to react and avoid an accident. These systems rely on two key components. First, a radar sensor located behind the front grille that detects objects and measures distances. Second, a camera module mounted behind the windshield near the rearview mirror that provides visual recognition of lane markings, vehicles, and road conditions. The problem has become more common in newer model years due to increased sensor sensitivity and more complex integration with other vehicle systems. The primary causes of this warning fall into two main categories: environmental factors and technical issues. Environmental factors include sensor obstruction from dirt, snow, or ice, and adverse weather conditions like heavy rain or fog. Technical issues include misaligned sensors after repairs, software glitches requiring system resets, actual hardware failures, and electrical problems like wiring issues or connector corrosion. Understanding these systems and their common failure points is the first step in addressing the ACC FCW warning. In the next section, we'll cover specific troubleshooting steps and repair procedures. Now that we understand what causes the ACC and FCW warning, let's walk through the step-by-step troubleshooting process to fix this issue in your Dodge Durango. The first step is always visual inspection. Check your radar and camera sensors for any obstructions like dirt, snow, ice, or debris that could be blocking their view. If you find any obstructions, clean the sensors carefully using appropriate cleaning solutions. Use a soft cloth and avoid harsh chemicals that could damage the sensor housing. If cleaning doesn't resolve the issue, the next step is performing a system reset. This can clear temporary software glitches that may be causing the warning. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, professional diagnostic procedures are necessary. This involves using specialized equipment to identify the exact problem. Understanding repair costs is important for budgeting. Sensor replacement costs vary depending on the component, and professional calibration is always required after sensor replacement. Prevention is always better than repair. Regular maintenance and proper care can prevent most ACC and FCW warning issues from occurring in the first place. Remember, 85% of ACC and FCW warnings can be resolved through basic troubleshooting, like cleaning and system resets. Only 15% require actual hardware replacement, making proper maintenance your best defense against these issues.